Welcome to the channel, mmmrowe, where we look at Malachi perspective. We look mainly at food and agriculture. We look at some social issues also. In today's video, we want to look at yam. We want to look at the two main types of yam. Yes, it may be the first time you are hearing this, and you have been exposed to other so-called types of yam I see scattered on the internet. But there are two main types of yam. You will see all of this outlined in this video. The two main types of yams are the square stemmed yam and the round stem yam. Yes, those are the two types. For the square stem yams, the leaves are softer, and you will see in the video as I point them out. And the stem it's not a perfect square. It has like 4 angles, so it's referred to as a square stem yam. There are yams like sweet yam, soft yam, white yam, St. Vincent, Renta, hard yam. Those are the square stem yams. But when we refer to the round stemmed yam, and this round stem yam tend to have prickles, there are yams like yellow yam, tar yam or white afu, Lucea, Negra yam, and some they refer to as Yampie, and there are other variations. So those basically are the two main types. Watching the video as I point them out and show them to you. Remember, you leave a comment below if you like the video, or if you are made aware of these two types of yam for the first time. Leave a comment below and also like the video. Thank you so much. These are the square stem yam. Look at the shape of the leaf. They are more elongated, and the leaves are very soft. Look carefully, and if you see the stems are soft. Look at the stems, look at the shape of the leaf. They are more pointed towards the tip. Look at the stem, you can see squared. They are squared, and the yellowing of the leaf indicating maturity. But that one, I think the leaf is old. So this is the rounds. That's wrong. This is the square stemmed, as I made mention. Here is the round stem now. Look at the leaf. They are shiny, not as pointed, and look at the stem. If I get closer, you will see the stems looking rounded right here, more rounded, and there are prickles on them. So this is the round. See, more roundish, like the yellow yam and the Lucea and Negra yam. This is how it looks. Shiny, tougher, or hardier. Look at the stem carefully and closely, and there are the prickles on them, and they are roundish. Here, me touching that stem there, it's hardy and it is roundish. And look back at now at the softer one, the square stem. See, it's soft, and this, look with the angle, 4 angle, it is more squarish, right? So that's the main difference between those two types of yam, and again, how they are propagated. You cut the head from the round stem, but from the square stem we collect also seeds. We may use the head, but we collect seeds. And coming up, you will see me showing you some of these seeds, indication that it is maturing. The spots on them, the spots, and it could also be fungus, but that's what we tend to look at. And here are the seeds now. These are some brownish seeds, and I'll touch one there. Those are used for propagation. And this one in particular is a hard yam. So these are the seeds. Yeah, there are some seeds. This is the square stemmed yam. We're looking at the stems. Tip of the leaves are more pointed and they are softer. Hope I would have informed you much on the types of yam based on their stem. Right? Very important. Again, if you find it informative, leave a comment and like the video. This Malachi mmmrowe, where we look at Malachi perspective.